Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Remove any bones from the cooked fish along with the skin, then flake the flesh into the potato pea mix along with 2 tablespoons of the cooking milk. Err on the side of a drier mix to ensure that the cakes do not collapse when you fry them. 17 January 2015.
Take our lead.
Fruit puree adds moisture to baked goods, but it also works well as a binder. Applesauce and mashed bananas are the ones most commonly used as egg substitutes, but you can also use pumpkin puree or mashed avocado. 21 September 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Did you put anything in with the mashed potato, like butter or milk? If so, leave it out. Also, when you've formed the fish cakes, put them in the fridge for a couple of hours and they'll firm up. Good luck, fish cakes are delicious.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If they are chopped too coarsely, they can burn when the fish cakes are being cooked. The onions can also act as failure points in the cakes, causing fault lines about which the cakes can fall apart when being cooked. Always make sure the pan and oil are very hot before adding the cakes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.